Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video of Facebook series, I'm gonna show you how you can promote your Facebook page or your Facebook post for free. But before starting the video, let me clarify you that if you are thinking that I'm gonna share a magic trick that is gonna boom your Facebook page, then you are on the wrong place, because in this video I'm targeting people with determination, passions and hard work. So if you're not one of them, then this video is not for you. So you better stop watching the video because it's a slow process. I have applied this trick to my Facebook page and got a great result, but it's a slow process. So let's start our video. Okay, here you can see that it's my Facebook page and I wanna promote this Facebook page. So and this is my Gmail, so I'm gonna boost my Facebook page through email marketing. Okay, so what you need to do is, so first of all you'll have to add an extension to your Google Chrome browser. This extension, email extractor. Okay, so go to Google Web Store and add this extension to your Google Chrome browser. It's email extractor. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description box. So add this first of all. Then after adding this email extractor to your Google Chrome browser, so you'll have to open Google. And here let's say I want to target United States. So I want to I want to have audience of United States on my Facebook page. So what I will do is write USA and inverted commas and gmail.com and inverted commas yahoo.com. okay, search this. Okay, if you wanna change the location, if you wanna target Canada, then you'll have to write Canada, or if you wanna target some Asian countries, then you'll have to write a specific location here. Okay, so search this, and here is the trick. You'll get a lot of email lists from Google. Google is a very powerful search engine. You just have to use it for your business promotion, for your Facebook business promotion. So okay, I will just open this website and this website. Okay, now here you can see that I've got a lot of emails here. So I'm not saying these emails are all valid. So you have to verify these emails. I've made another video on how to validate email list. So you'll have to just check out that video that to verify this email list. So it's just for illustration purpose, so I'm not gonna verify these emails. So what I have to do is, okay, I will click on in this extractor. So what it will do is it will fetch all emails from this website. So what I will do is I will copy some emails from here. Okay, it's enough, I guess it's about 50. So I'll copy this and I will go to Gmail and compose email. Okay, all of them. Okay, now okay, 147. It's a great audience. In 1 second I've got these emails in 1 second. So what I will do is I will write an eye-catching headline, eye-catching subject. So okay, so here you can see that a Facebook page you must visit once in your life. So here I will copy my link. The first thing I want to tell you that your content must be very good on your Facebook page. If your Facebook page quality is not good, then these people are not gonna stay there. Just make sure that your Facebook page quality is very good and you are providing good content to people. So you'll have to write something here like some eye-catching description of your Facebook page. So write something there. So I will just attach a link here. Okay, Facebook page, and I will write click here to visit the page. Okay, Okay, click here to visit the page, and after that you'll have to send email to all of them. So send. Okay, so now you can see that it has been sent to 147 people, and if I'm providing a quality content on my Facebook page, then they are gonna come back. Okay, so that's how I can just increase my reach, my page reach using email marketing. So that's all for this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.